Oh well, she's running nicely. I mean, she'll take a little while for things to bed in. Made a reasonable job of the carburetor. Oh, there'll be a few little things I'll have to work on, but pretty happy. Sounds a bit rattly up the top there. Probably a lot of it's tapping, most of the rough road. Yeah, I'm fairly happy so far anyway. I'm happy with my carburetor. That's worked out nicely. I think I'll have a look at the tappets and just check a couple of those little rattles. Neutral, but there's always a bit of clutch grab there without any load on the transmission. This will be the first time this engine's been running in quite a few years. So it has got new rings and a home, so pretty happy. It's not really smoking. I'll let it run out of gas. Get a bit of measurement of the output voltage from the generator later. Yeah, so I'm very happy at this stage anyway. I'll do a few adjustments and I'll do a few more videos on here, get the chain on and things like that. Should be stopping soon, we'll be out of gas in a little while. thank you for viewing this, and it's not a very nice day today. It's quite rainy and wet, but still a good day getting this engine running. I might just switch it off actually. There you go. I just had it running off the car battery anyway. I might have an issue with my alternator. I've got to look into that, because it was running quite poorly until I connected the battery 12 volts onto the CDI. It was sort of like just pulsing, and then I looked at the alternator output voltage and it was quite unsteady. So it could be that I've got an issue with either the regulator and rectifier unit, or maybe the actual alternator stator pulse. Anyway, that's something small that I can look at. Yes, so that's probably it for a little while. So thank you again, and catch you in the next one. Bye.